setting Z manually, or using a touch plate. We typically set working off the top of the stock. But that's not always the best option. We all know that 1/4-inch plywood is not 1/4-inch, and this particular plywood is especially thin, probably about 5 millimeters. So even though you can clearly see tabs being cut, they're actually being cut into the spoil board below the part, and are not holding the part at all. While you could tweak the programming for each thickness of material, there's a much better way. A setup block the same thickness that I wrote my program for, in this case 1/4-inch, can be used to set the Z0 for the run. The setup block is put on the spoil board in place of the material for setting the Z height. This setup will cut right down to the spoil board, but not into it by very much, if at all. You'll get the full depth of cut, you'll preserve any tabs that are holding your part in place, and you're protecting the spoil board so you don't have to replace it as often. This technique is not suitable for inlays, engraving, or other cuts where the depth matters. But for many of the projects we do on our CNCs, it can be highly useful. Find lots of other tips like this one, and learn how to master your CNC with my book, The Beginner's Guide to CNC Machining in Wood, from Fox Chapel Publishing.